Hi everybody, this is Ralph again, back again. Sorry about my video, but we're gonna give this another shot. My video cut me off, so when I was trying to let y'all hear my car start and run. So today, we're gonna do it today, so y'all can hear my car start and run. There it is, guys. Up and running. Done good. Right on the nose. Everything's on point. And there it is. It's running, guys. On point. She got the power. She's ready to roll. And I'm gonna have to cut this one so I can tell you what else I'm doing to the car today. Alright. Catch you on the next flip. Y'all have a blessed day.